Now. What if I fall in the sewer? No, friends. Oh, hi. Today I'm gonna fall in the sewer, but I don't want to. Woohoo! Whoa! No! I'm in the sewer. I need to pee. What is down here? Poop! Pee! Ew! Oh my gosh, look how gross this is. It's going to be ruined. Oh no! I don't want to stay here! I need to stay in that land. Help! Huh? Help! Oh no! It is something like... Oh no! The air is here. I'm super. I'm friendly. Nope. I will get bird, Cathy. I'm an expert. But I'm going to. Whoa! I fell in the manhole cover. Or the manhole. Yeah, I fell in the manhole. Okay. Whoa! Ew! How gross this is. And hey, come on. It's super gross in here. Come on, let's get out of this gross place. Ew, it smells bad. It almost smells like poop. Hey, bird Cathy. Are you pooping in here? No, I'm not. Well, then how should we? Play? It's an infinity ladder. Did you remember? An infinity ladder. Oh, yeah. Infinity ladder. Great job. Is the infinity ladder high enough? Probably. We'll see. 3, 2, 1. I've got to climb. Right here. Uh-oh. Gotta climb now. They're gonna climb. Wow. It's not working. We're gonna try it again. 3, 2, 1, go. Good. It's not working. I should climb it though. 3, 2, 1. I did it! I win! Huh, that sounds easy. Yay! Okay! How do we get rid of this manhole? The manhole? I don't know! We need to get rid of it. How do we get rid of a manhole? And how do we get rid of the poop and pee? What poop and pee? We can vacuum it. No. I don't think that's a good idea. It works! How to get rid of this manhole? We could just put the manhole cover on. That's a good idea. Okay. These are safety tips. The safety tips. Yeah. Stay safe with some safety tips. Yeah. Mission complete! This is called a fat belly. Fat belly. Cool. What else? What is this over here? Whoa. Hey there, Cathy. What?